The year is ending, and the question on every investor's mind is, where should I invest in 2025? Today, we are diving deep into the global investment landscape, the trends, the opportunities, and the strategies that could shape your financial future. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start positioning your money for the year ahead. If you're serious about growing your wealth and avoiding costly mistakes, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. All investments carry risk, and you should do your own research or consult a professional before investing. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for investors. Economies are stabilizing, inflation is cooling, and central banks are rethinking interest rates. But the real story isn't just recovery, it's transformation. From AI and automation to clean energy, healthcare innovation, and emerging markets, the world is changing fast, and with change comes opportunity. Stick with me. Later in this video, I'll break down a step-by-step strategy you can start implementing right now, even before the year ends. Let's explore the top global investment themes for 2025. First up, artificial intelligence and automation. AI isn't just hype, it's transforming industries. From cloud computing to semiconductors, companies enabling AI are poised for growth. A great way to get exposure is through thematic ETFs or by selecting leaders in AI infrastructure. Next, cybersecurity. As AI grows, so does the value of data. Cybersecurity companies are critical, and their growth is just beginning. Then we have clean energy and the energy transition. The global shift to renewables is unstoppable. Solar, energy storage, and green infrastructure are seeing record investment. This is a long-term trend with massive potential. Healthcare and longevity is another powerful theme. Breakthroughs in biotech, genomics, and AI-powered diagnostics mean healthcare is a long-term growth engine. Let's not forget emerging markets. Countries like India, parts of Southeast Asia, and Africa are expected to outpace developed markets. Growth is here, but always be mindful of political and currency risks. For a more stable base, consider income and credit assets. With interest rates stabilizing, bonds and high-yield credit are regaining their appeal, acting as a core anchor for your portfolio. And finally, hedge and safe haven assets. Gold and other safe havens protect your portfolio against geopolitical or market shocks. Which of these themes excites you the most? Comment below. I read every comment. Now let's talk strategy. Think of your portfolio as a house. You need a strong foundation, growth floors, and a safety net on top. For the foundation, or your core, I'd suggest around 30% in fixed income. Bonds stabilize your portfolio. Mix global government bonds, corporate bonds, and maybe some emerging market debt. For the main structure, your global equities, allocate about 35%. Broad ETFs give you exposure to global markets. You could tilt toward Europe, mid-caps, and emerging markets for potential growth. Next, your growth floors, or thematic growth, at about 20%. This is where you invest in those exciting trends we just discussed: AI, clean energy, and healthcare. These are the trends shaping 2025 and beyond. Then, consider adding a smaller layer of about 10% in private or alternative assets. Private equity, infrastructure, or private debt can boost returns, but remember, these are less liquid. Finally, your safety net, a hedge or safe haven layer of about 5%. Gold, short-term bonds, or currency hedges protect you from volatility and geopolitical shocks. Later, I'll show you exactly how you can start investing this week, even before 2026 officially begins. So how do you start now? Here's a simple, end-of-year action plan. First, set your goals and risk profile. Know your capital, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. Second, create your core anchor. Allocate to bonds and keep a cash reserve. Third, pick 1 to 3 growth themes you believe in. AI, clean energy, healthcare. Start small positions now. Fourth, consider emerging markets. EM ETFs or regional funds provide exposure to high-growth areas. Fifth, hedge and diversify. Keep that 5% in gold or other safe havens. And finally, decide on your entry strategy. You can invest a lump sum or use dollar-cost averaging, known as DCA. DCA is often safer at year-end to reduce timing risk. And of course, choose your platforms. Use brokers that give you access to ETFs, stocks, bonds, and even private assets. If you follow these steps, you could position yourself for a strong start in 2025. Comment "Ready" if you're going to start this week. But remember, no investment is risk-free. Watch for valuation risk. Some growth stocks may be expensive. Be aware of policy risk, as regulations can change overnight. And always consider geopolitical risk, especially in emerging markets. Finally, remember that private assets can have illiquidity risk, meaning they take time to sell. The keys are to diversify, rebalance your portfolio quarterly, and stay informed. That's how you turn potential into long-term growth. 2025 is full of opportunities for investors who act wisely. Whether it's AI, clean energy, healthcare, or emerging markets, the key is a diversified, theme-driven strategy. Start now, monitor your portfolio, and protect your wealth, because time in the market beats timing the market. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. More wealth strategies are coming your way. Let me know in the comments which theme you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.